Learn how to create an activity flow to process a reimbursement request in the expense management application. Sign into AppWorks Platform and open the created workspace. Double-click Expense. In the Add New pane, expand Business Logic and click Activity Flow. You can use an activity flow when you have a simple workflow. In this case, you can use it to process a reimbursement request. Enter payment as the label name. Click Add. On the Activities tab, add 3 activities and determine their sequence by selecting the previous activity from the list. First, add the Manager Review activity. Next, add the Accounting Review activity. To define this as the second step, select Manager Review from previous activity list. Lastly, add the Process Payment activity. To define this as the third step, select Accounting Review from the previous activity list. Note that when you create an activity, you must specify the previous activity to define the sequence of the activities in the workflow. If you do not specify a previous activity, all activities set to none will release as soon as someone initiates the workflow. Click the settings. From the Trigger this activity flow list, select when an item is created. Now, when someone uploads a receipt, it will trigger the activity flow. Click the default layout and click the Layout Designer link. From the Panels menu, drag Tasks beside the Receipt panel. The Tasks panel displays tasks and help you select the tasks to process an expense reimbursement. Set the width of the panels as per your need. When you are finished, click Save, click Publish, and then click Close. Open AppWorks Runtime. Upload a receipt. The activity flow is triggered automatically. Point to Manager Review to open a submenu. Click Start. After you complete the Manager Review activity, the workflow automatically progresses to the next activity and so on until the workflow ends. And that is how you add and use an activity flow in an expense reimbursement application.